Welcome back to Alex and Max channel. Fly a drone for the first time. And I'm gonna learn, and I already learned, but not forward or backward and left and right. I just know how to take off and land it.
So yes guys, she said she want to learn how to fly the drone. So I'm just gonna show her how to take off and land. Mavic Air 2.
Dad, I'm gonna fly it off.
Not yet, Alex, just hold on. Connect up my phone to the controller, and then I'm gonna let she take off and then see how is her landing. So what do you do first?
Take it off.
Okay. Okay. Make sure there's no obstacle above. So you're gonna let it hover. Yeah. So you hover, kind of get the feel of it. Yeah. And this you can use to turn them around like this.
Turn them around.
Yeah. And the camera is, you have the camera point down. You gotta raise up the camera. Okay. Turn him around now. No, I said turn him around. Yeah. Turn him around, facing us.
Facing us.
Turn it around, yeah, facing us. Too close to the wire then. Alright, let him go up now.
Go up! Up and away!
Stop him right there, let it stay right there. Don't set it up too high. Okay, so what you see on the camera?
I see houses.
Tilt the camera down. Okay. Oh, there we are right there.
Let's put it on the roof.
No, we're not putting it on the roof.
That won't make no sense.
No. What you can do
is
bring it down a little bit more. Bring it down. Bring it down. Take your time. Yeah. Bring it down a little bit more. Little bit more. Little bit more. Little bit more. You're not landing it, alright. Leave it right there. You just kind of get the feel of the remote in your hands. You know? Kind of get a feel of it. As I realize it's a little bit too windy, so you can see how it's like moving about in the wind. Tilt back the camera up.
Wait, up?
Yeah, the camera, tilt it back up. It's on the ground. Yeah, there you go. Alright. Shoot at the camera, Alex. Go. Take your time. Leave him right there. Leave him right there, Alex. Going to tilt the camera. You're doing it too fast. Okay?
I don't should let you press that.
Okay. So how it feels?
It feels good.
You don't even know how to fully operate it yet. It takes skill, yeah.
Oh.
So we're just doing the basic taking
yeah,
off.
because when you got it, you didn't really know what to do because you never played with ropes.
Yeah. So leave it right there.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're just learning the basic take off, hover, and land.
Take off, hover, and land.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow I can learn how to do left and right, and then forward and backwards. Yes.
Stop right there. Bring it up a little. Little bit.
Well,
Alright, you want to send how you take it off again? How did I tell you to do it?
whoa. That's so cool. Oh my god.
No, don't bring it up too much. Bring it down now. Take your time. Take your time. Let it go. Let it go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, bring it down. Yeah. You can leave that. Yeah. Okay. You get it now to take it off?
Yes.
Okay. You wanna try it again?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to do it on the left and the right.
No, Alex, no. Bring it back over there, sir. Yeah. You don't know to hang. Leave it, Alex. I'm gonna have to teach you to use all of those stuff. It's not just flying it like that. Just learn how to do takeoff and landing now, okay?
Okay. Whoa, we're so small. Okay, take
Can bring it down.
Here it comes down.
There you go. Yeah.
Yay! Now I know how to fly a drone.
No, you don't know how to fly a drone. You know how to
Like take it
take off and land.
but not like left and right.
Yes.
Or like up and down.
No, yeah.
I mean like forward and back.
Yeah,
or
because
left and right.
it takes practice.
I'm
Right.
doing one more time. I wish I can see myself.
Land it now, land it. You can leave it right there, don't let him land, leave it right there. Okay. This is for the camera. It goes down. Our house, so it's looking down on the house now, so there we are right there. See?
I don't even see you looking down.
So that's where it's looking down on us now. You see? So that's what he used to move the camera. Okay.
Oh, the camera moved, not the drone.
So you're moving the camera but not the drone.
My God, so cool. Let's go down. Let's go up. Let's go down. Let's go up. I see the whole thing. I see the whole thing.
You got it?
Only see it was high.
Okay. So yes guys, teaching my daughter how to safely take off and land the drone. You know, that's all I'm gonna teach her to do, because it takes a lot of practice. You're bringing it down? Land it, Alex, land it. Nice.
Whoa. That's cool.
Let's see what the battery look like. I got enough power left.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, that's going to be tricky.
What you do first? Hold on, lift up the camera first. Oh, no, it's good.
Okay.
Go on. Take off. Let it stay right there, let it hover. Don't touch nothing on it, Alex.
Okay, I'm gonna
What's the camera now? Tilt down the camera. Tilt it down.
tilt it down, tilt it down, and down.
No, you're sending it up, Alex. I said just tilt the camera. Yeah.
Look how cute it is. Look how big our house is. Wow.
Okay.
I want more space like that, like a rectangle, but it's fine because we have a big old house. Like, that's so cool.
So how you feel flying? How you feel flying the drone?
Great.
You feel great?
Yeah.
Okay.
I never tried it.
You're bringing it down? Bring it down. Okay. Land it now. Nice.
Hey, get away, Brady. Whoa. I never flew a drone in my whole entire life. One more time.
Want to get off again?
Yeah.
Hold on.
What? Excuse me.
So guys, I'm teaching my daughter how to operate a drone. There she is. Don't touch it yet, Alex. Yeah, me.
It's over.
Adjust the camera.
Now I see the whole house.
Okay.
Guys, look how big our house is. It goes right here all the way to here.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Don't bring it up no further.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, you're bringing it down.
Mhm.
Alright.
I wanna go into make it go on the. Ooh.
Stop. Slow it down, Alex. Slow it down. Bring it down. Come. Bring it down.
My God.
Just take your time. Take your time, Alex. You're pressing on it too hard. Bring it down.
Ooh.
Hold on.
Close to the grass.
Land it. Land it.
I wanna learn how to fly the drone, like into the on the roof. That would be so cool.